The Rebbe said it's not good to be attached to kids too much. It does not mean that I should not play with the kids. Don't spoil them. Don't spoil them. It's not healthy for a kid. Every little thing that's happened. You stell dich auf, gehst zur Schule, mich bringen. Tati geht bringen. Let him grow. Er ist aufwachsen. Understand? This bin der Rebbe. A kind not allowed to kiss, not allowed to slap. So not. It's a used to give my kiss for a kid. I'm not to kiss my kid, but what? Not 100 times a day. Very good. Because this is they have to grow up. That's aufwachsen. But this is the chinuch. It's very important to spend time with the kids. On the other side, the kid has to know the kids are not your friend. You have to be in the mechanech, not your friend. Not doing this to a father. They start kriegen auf die. It's a baby. It's nothing but. Dit is een vader. Ik spend tijd met dir, but aan de vader. Het is een schwere zaak, nog een zaak beter maar wisten. It's easy when you see that, when you see this by your parents, so let's go naturally